In the ultra-clean halls of Luna Seafood's prototype factory, catfish don't just swim. They arrive the size of dairy cattle. Each animal is rinsed by precision misting arms, scanned alive for health metrics, then filleted by laser-guided blades accurate to a human.
In this automated facility, catfish glide across stainless belts under the eyes of artificial intelligence. Laser scanners and articulated arms inspect every contour, measuring weight, temperature, and freshness in real time. Once approved, precision blades open each fish along a holographic.
In the heart of this sprawling warehouse, precision meets power. Forklifts ferry massive crates of freshly caught catfish to the line, where shining conveyors guide them through a sequence of washing and sorting. The air is alive with the gentle vibration and
Hold steady. Keep the line clear. Copy. Adjusting spray. Looks good. Let them ride through. On it. Head off. Blade speed good.
Copy. Billet line's clear.
35 kilos on this run.
Crate 86. Ready for storage.
In the belly of the old cannery, nothing is new. Rust has taken every edge, and the smell of brine never leaves. The conveyor shudders under the weight of catfish bigger than pigs, their skins still pulsing with the last of the river. Men